Makhosi, ngiyanibingelela nina lapha emakhaya, all you valuable, beautiful Kemites. All you followers of this channel, nina enzuza ulwazi lomoya, who are fed spiritually by the universe, using mediums and using vessels like me. Mina, Prophet Shamu, Nyanga, Crusader, and I welcome you guys to a somewhat soft episode, to a much more relaxed episode of Kemi TV. Sihlezi sikhuluma ngokuthi abantu bayagadlwa and the Pope dying, izinto ezinjalo. But today we want to bring it back home. Ngaphambi kokuthi siye phambili, guys, please hit that notification bell and then hit that subscribe button and then hit the share button. Ubazise abantu ukuthi Kemi TV iyakhula, iKemi TV ikhipha ulwazi lomoya olukhulisa abantu, olufundisa abantu ukuthi bazivikele, olufundisa abantu ukuthi baziqinise, baqinise nabantu ababathandayo nala abahlala khona. Efundisa abantu ukuthi uma uneyinkinga zemali, yenza lokhu, uthathe lokhu, ufake lokhu. A channel that not only equips you with knowledge but with methodologies of protecting yourself, assisting yourself financially, assisting yourself in zothando, which is what we are going to be going into today. I'm sure you've seen you saw the thumbnail. Bakwethu Ganzetong umjolo kumele uvalwe South Africa. They're not lying if but umjolo is a pandemic. Love, relationships are a lot. Abantu bayabhubha induku. But once usubhubhe induku, why ulokhu umphupha lo muntu wakho? Lo ozama ukumkhohla ngayo yonke indlela, uze owazama nokungena esigabeni esikuba i-bad B, you try to go into a whole phase, akukho kusebenzayo. Try to go to church, Jesus didn't save you, Allah didn't save you, Yahweh didn't save you, you are heartbroken, kodwa uloku umphuphu, uloku umcabanga. Now, what could be the cause of this? Guys, I have to cover the topic of soul ties. We have a methodology of ukulapha soul ties as well on Akana Temple on our website. We also have umuthi wokuthi uchithe noma to disconnect soul ties or to wash isithunzi nokungcola nensila yomuntu from your spirit. Ukhona umuthi wakhona, it is on Akana Temple. Ungangena, you can go on the website, you can check on the header of our channel. You should see all our social media channels linked there, and then you'll also see a website link over there. You can take that link, click on that link, go into the website Akana Temple, share the website, let people know it. Ukhona umuthi that deals with soul ties, osusa insila, that is connecting you and somebody. God will be looking at various aspects of soul ties, because soul ties are tormenting, guys. Ofuna ukucabanga lo muntu kodwa uloku uyamcabanga. Umcabanga uzucabanga imicabango ephambene ukuthi uphume wena ugibele emgwaqweni uhambe uyocupha phansi lapha ngasegeyidini, noma ucabanga umcabango ophambene ukuthi ujampa ibonda ulahlela amatshe emawindweni uloku umbiza Noctula ingathi ubhokile lapha, because you just cannot break this tie that is connecting you to this specific person. You cut them off, you block their number, wakhala waze wabhalansa phansi ngesifuba, uloku ukhalela ukuthi uthando luphelile, until you healed, until you move on. You no longer feeling the connection with this person. Kodwa basavele emaphuphweni. Now and again unokunuka that perfume of theirs. Kunganamuntu ogcoka i-perfume. Now and again you go to sleep, bayavela, uhleli, you feel their presence. This is a soul tie. Deep down, there's something that's still pulling you back to this person, and it's not ukuthi uyamthanda. Cha. It's a soul tie. It is a energetic connection that is created between two beings out of three specific reasons. Inabantu ekhaya la abahleli khona that think that a soul tie is created only with opposite sex. No. It's not always opposite sexes. At times, A soul tie can be created by other circumstances. Your soul tie is a spiritual connection that is formed between you and another person. It's either through intimacy or through trauma or through a spiritual exchange that lives beyond the body and clings onto your aura and to your energetic field. Crusader, you're always using high terms when you're talking about spiritualities, because I want to make you understand that spirituality is high science. I want to put it in terms ukuthi wena uyiqonde uma uyizwa. Soul ties can be formed under different circumstances, guys. You can form a soul tie from, first thing you know, from a sexual connection. Ulala nomuntu repeatedly, unprotected sex, unconscious sex. You at club and you just went and you slept with somebody you don't know, their energy is open to your energy, and then you guys form a soul tie. But in this instance, we're talking about one where you have been intimate with someone for many years, your partner, nilokunihlangana embedeni niyenza ucansi, and it resulted in your energies becoming intertwined. Some of you, it's karmic partners, okay, that you are trying to forget. You had to learn the lesson, kodwa you got caught up in the sex. When the lesson was done, ubungakhoni ukukhohlwa ukuthi lela bhentshisi has fire emojis on it, ukuthi leya mlakalaka ingathi unogesi. And so that is what created and formed the sexual based soul tie. We also have an emotionally formed soul tie. It's a bond that's formed through trauma and dependency. So you've been through something, maybe you experienced loss and you have a fear of losing people close to you because you lost somebody very close to you, and you meet somebody that you have an affinity to. And because of that, your energy instantly clings onto them. You are connected to them through the traumas you've suffered. You're connected through to them, and you have a dependency on their energy. And so it creates a soul tie. And then obviously you have a spiritually formed soul tie. It could be done through rituals. It could be done through imithi, pacts, energetic sharing. A spiritual soul tie would be anything that involves spiritual items, whether a ritual, whether imithi, and so forth, that connected you to that person. And manje kumele ikhishwe lento ukuthi umkhohlwe lo muntu. Guys, soul ties are real. I know. Soul ties are real. It's something I've experienced. It's something that other people have experienced, and they don't understand what they're experiencing. Somebody can develop a soul tie for you without you even realizing now they are connected to your soul. Sometimes soul ties are not two ways. One party is connected to the other. It happens. So what do you do if you suspect you have a soul tie? And do you really just want to move on with your life? And so you just want to eradicate the soul tie. What can you do? If you have these signs, please, you will follow the instructions I will give after here. I will give you a small ritual in order to cancel the subscription to your ex. Okay? Now, if you randomly think about them or you feel their presence, or nje uhleli nje esikhaleni nje uzizwe ngathi ungakhala ngoba ukhumbule lo muntu lo, uzizwe ngathi yo ngihalela ngathi this night reminds me of how it used to feel when we were together. Soul tie. You often dream about them even years after. You dream about them, you feel guilt or shame. Some of you, especially you ladies, you'll experience this with your soul ties. You feel guilt or shame when you want to move on. You are attached. Wasitshela kudala wathi uyabona kwaphela le relationship le angisafuni omunye. Sengiyoba celibate. Ngiyothenga ama-toys wabantu abadala. Ngiphinde ngihlangane nendoda. Because you cannot move on from them. You cannot imagine yourself with somebody, with anybody else but them. There is a soul tie there. When you go into new relationships, zihlale zibhidlika, ziyahlikizeka ziba amahlikihliki. you must know that that is a sign of a soul tie. You get with different people, you break up and you end up back with your ex. Break up with them, you try to date again, you end up back with your ex. No relationships are working outside of that connection. So it is a blockage caused by a soul tie, and often more than not, there will be a time when you can feel this person's emotions. You must remember that emotions are an energy signal. We've taught this on our videos about manifestation and how to use energy to manifest. Likewise, if you can send an emotional signal with an intent to the universe, likewise, you can send an emotional signal to a counterpart, to another human. Emotional telepathy. So you often feel their emotions. Yes, I have a feeling this dude is sad. Yes, I have a feeling Guti umkumbulile and things like that. Soul tie. So what can you do, Guti, to separate yourself from this person? Because usizi to be tied to a person ongasamthandi. Ngiyenzele lokhu. Ngicela ungitholele ikhandlela elimnyama. You're gonna get me a red string. So you're gonna get me a black candle and you're gonna get me a red string or a cord. Then you're gonna get me a piece of paper with the pen, and then you're gonna get me some salt water and a bowl la ozoshisa khona ngaphakathi. Uzongithathela igama lalo muntu lo ulibhale khona. Gama wonke amagama we3 we18 wabhale konke on this paper with isibongo sakhe, and then you're gonna wrap the red string around this paper until you wrap it, uyibophe nje kahle, and then you will tie a knot. Uma usukwenzile lokhu, while ubopha usho ukuthi ngifuna ukukhulula. I want to release you. I want to release this tie and I want to reclaim my freedom from you. Ngifuna ukuthatha inkululeko yami kuwe. Akukho okusihlanganisile, wena usuwuwe mina sengiyimi ngingedwa. We are no longer two. I am separating us. I release this tie. I reclaim my spirit while you are wrapping the string around this piece of paper with their name in it. Ukhulume lamazwi lawo. You will then light the black candle. Bakwethu ungayenzeli lento la ukhulekela khona. If anything, please do it outside. Do not do it at your prayer shrine. Because amandla wekhandlela elimnyama are too strong ukuthi kumele lisondele emsamo unless ulo muntu lo thina inyanga esaziyo ukuthi ukuye, then you can do that. But you normal people either go outside or be outside of where you sleep. Maybe kitchen or whatever, but best practice is to go ahead and do it outside. Uzokhanyisela le khandlela elimnyama, and once you've switched on or you've lit your black candle, you're gonna focus on how it would feel to be separated completely. Ungabe usabacabanga bangaba basasempilweni yakho, to absolutely be separated from them. And when you focus that energy, and while you are looking at the black candle, you're going to light the paper. Legama leli, le purple negama lakhe eliboshwe ngendwangu emhlophe noma eliboshwe with a white rope noma iwool emhlophe, iwool ebovu. Le phepha elimhlophe eliboshwe ngewool ebovu, nxese bakwethu, you are going to light it ulishise. And while lisha, you're gonna put the candle in you're gonna light the candle separate outside the bowl, and then you will light that paper, and then uzoyifaka kule bowl leli, and then you will either usondeza ubuso bakho to the bowl or you will look directly at the smoke. Then uzosho ukuthi lokho kusihlanganisile sekuhlukene ngokwenyama, ngokwenhliziyo nangokwemizwa. What bound us together is now burned away. Spiritually, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Once usukhulume lawo magama, uzofaka iminwe yakho ngaphakathi okwamanzi anotswayi, and then uzozigcoba la esiphongo, uzigcobe la esifubeni, and then uzozigcoba la esiphongo, uzozigcoba la entanyeni, and then uzozigcoba la esifubeni, to signify the separation and the releasing of the higher chakras. Because remember that the soul tie is no longer physical. A soul tie is connected to the higher chakras. It is a spiritual cord, and so kumele it must be symbolically washed away ukuze ucime what is connecting you guys. So in English, you are going to take the white paper with wool, red wool or a string around it. You are going to burn it into a bowl, and you are going to speak the words that this bond is broken now, spiritually, physically, emotionally, and mentally. I say, and then you will dip your fingers inside salt water and you will smear it over your forehead, over your throat, and over your heart, in your chest region. And then uzosho ukuthi sengizihlambululile ngokomoya mina sengingedwa. I have cleansed myself spiritually. I now am on my way, on my own. Now, obviously, to this, these words are more affirmation and frequency based. You don't have to say what I'm saying exactly. I'm just giving you guidelines here on my side. Okay. So, what might you experience after the ritual? You could feel ukuthi khona kuthize okususiwe emahlombe wakho. You could feel ukuthi ukhathele. You could feel relief. You could feel peace. All these would be symptoms of ukuthi spiritually seyinqamukile lento. Now, let your soul breathe, relax. Ungathi manje ngoba usuyinqamulile, run and go make another soul tie. Uzosixaka kuloku shisana namakhandlela amnyama la. Avoid contact with that person, guys. In order for this tie to be broken and to remain broken, you must avoid contact with your counterpart or with your ex-counterpart for 21 days. Uhlambulule la bowulala khona if naye bekanokufika alale lapho, in order to remove the residual energies that he's left there. And then monitor your dreams. Ubone ukuthi usavela na akasaveli. You can even journal, speak out your feelings of how you feel ever since you did this. It's all the process of healing after the ritual, guys. Breaking soul ties isn't about hate. Awumzondi loyo muntu ofuna ukumzwisa ubuhlungu ngokuthi abone ukuthi osamzweli or anything like that. No, breaking soul ties is about choosing you. It's about choosing you and closing all doors so that you can proceed freely into the future. So go into it ngomoya okhululekile, ngomoya ophansi. Mkhulseda lo. Igedla lamashkrishkri inyanga yamakhosi. So if this resonated with you, if you've had problems with soul ties in the past, go in the comment section and type for me, I reclaim my energy, I reclaim my freedom. Share this with somebody who you know needs to either break it off with somebody they keep getting back with who is a toxic partner. Share this with somebody struggling to forget their ex, or somebody who's struggling to move on. Share it with your friends. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell us your stories of how you've dealt with soul ties. Let's get into a dialogue in the comment section, guys. Again and again, guys, ngicela nishayeni i-notification bell. Ngiyanicela bakwethu, nishayeni subscription button. And then like the video so that it can be recommended to more people in the algorithm. Umprofetu Shamun lo ngithi ngiyaziyehlisa phambi kwenu. May you have a blessed week ahead. Igedla lamashkrishkri linthanda ngothando kamveli ncane. Emakhosini.